Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application. Oh, there we go. In here, before I start doing anything, I'm going to quickly touch upon this option right here. As you can see, this little phone icon, I can tap on it and change it to SIM card, which will then display contacts from the SIM card. Obviously, that's probably not what you were looking for, but I'm pointing it out because there will be also several other options. So if you are logged into your Google account, this will be visible right here. And for the most part, that's usually where your contacts are being pulled from. Now, I'm mentioning this because once we start importing our contacts, we'll have a choice where we can import our contacts to. Now, also showcasing this that I have no Google account logged in. So for me, I'll have only a single option or single destination, which is this device, and the device won't give me any other option. So I'll point that out once we see the field. So to get started with the import, click right here on Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM. This will then show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, they will all be selected as long as none of these contacts already exist on your device or the location that you're importing those contacts to. Now, that being said, somewhere between the Manage SIM and Info line, you will have a drop-down menu if you're logged into your Google account, which will allow you to choose where you can import these contacts to, either your Google account or several Google accounts, depending on if you have multiple signed in, you can choose which one, or the device. Now, because I only have the device as an option, it completely removes this drop-down menu altogether, so I don't see it right here. But with that being said, I can select import. Additionally, I can also deselect these contacts, which I didn't mention if I didn't want all of them. Now, when you select import, it asks you this stupid question if you want to remove copies from SIM. So basically all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, do you want to get rid of them? And for the love of God, don't do that. Obviously, if you want your backup of your contacts on your SIM card, then keep them there. This is the stupidest thing you can have as a pop-up, so I'm going to select copy. And the reason I consider this to be idiotic is because when we go into contacts, when the device is displaying contacts, it's pulling them from the device. That's where I imported the contacts to. If I want to show them from SIM card, I can swap to it. And again, it will show me contacts just from this location. At no point will I ever see duplicate versions of it just because the contacts are located on the phone and on a SIM card at the same time. So they never get in your way, but they are always there if you would ever need to have a backup of them. Therefore, it's useless to remove them. So, there we go. Now, as you can see, that was basically a quick import of the contacts. You can see all of them right here. And like I mentioned before, depending on where you import your contacts to, you'll need to swap to that location to display the contacts. But with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.